Who's got the power to...
Where are you? Are you taking place in the freaking bookworm app? Or is this Big Fish Casino?
Who answers the call for friends?
Don't show me the freaking crap on your phone. You don't even play no Fire Emblem Heroes. And I also bet you and Princess Pressroar are in love. Well, guess what? I don't ship it. Dude, get those freaking worms out of your hair. And guess what? Is that the freaking Super Mario Maker 2 stylist that never made it into the US?
He's the guy,
Dude! How did you...
Who's got the power?
Why are you doing the Nazi salute? This is a kid show!
The power to read. Who looks into books for...
Are you rich enough to get all that high tech? Get out of here!
And the super
Holy crap, you can change your clothes that quick? I'ma punch you in the mouth!
readers, we're gonna fly, come along.
Fun fact and realism, your freaking Wi-Fi didn't crash into that book!
With the super readers.
You kids don't have a driver's license. I'm 14, and it's 2 more years until I'm able to drive.
Super
Dude, these freaking lyrics are dumber than Baby Shark.
and the super readers.
Let me get this straight. How does debris from hurricane force winds form walls? Yes, I can compare you to the friggin' Terminal Montage Kirby. And guess what? You're probably in my lunch.
It's beginning to look a lot like...
Yeah.
Like, seriously, why do these guys or girls have to carry their weapon everywhere they go?
Super Y and the super readers.
Like, seriously, why are they called the Super Readers? They can't read!